everyone. Today we have one of the best tutorials for you, how to create a slow DNS server and set it up on the NPV Tunnel VPN app for fast and secure browsing. If you want more hidden VPN tricks, make sure to check out our blog. And before we dive in, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Let's get started. First things first. Open your web browser and in the search bar, type UDP Custom and hit Enter. From the search results, click on the official UDP Custom website. This is the platform where we'll be creating our slow DNS server. Once you're on the UDP Custom homepage, look for the menu button, usually in the top corner of the screen. Click on it and you'll see a list of options. From that list, select Slow DNS Server. This option will take you to the server location selection page. Now choose your preferred server location. Once selected, you'll be redirected to the account creation page. Enter your username, complete the CAPTCHA, and then click Create Now. Within seconds, your server details will appear. Be sure to note them down or copy them, as we'll need them in the next steps. Next, we're going to set up your slow DNS server on the NPV Tunnel app. First, make sure you have the latest version of the NPV Tunnel VPN installed on your device. Go to the Google Play Store, search for NPV Tunnel app, and install it if you haven't already. Once the app is installed, open it. On the home screen, tap the Servers button at the bottom. You'll see a new interface. On the top right corner, tap the plus button, and from the expanded menu, select Add Config Manually. A new window will open. Tap on the SSH Config option. Here, you'll be setting up your slow DNS server. First, select the protocol as SSH DNSTT. Now, enter the server details you copied earlier: host, username, and password. For the DNS, type in Google DNS 8.8.8.853. Then, enter the name of server and public key as provided. Once all the details are filled in, save the configuration. Finally, head back to the home page of the app, tap the Connect button, and you'll establish a secure slow DNS connection using NPV Tunnel VPN. And that's it. You've successfully created and connected to your slow DNS server on NPV Tunnel. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.